So now that you have a clear picture of your current spending habits, you can develop a forward-looking budget for how you'll spend your money once you buy a new home. Now this lets you decide on a target monthly home payment. Now for this step, we're going to budget for new or changed expenses. Now here's what to do now. Decide on how much you can afford on the total monthly home payment. Your total monthly home payment includes mortgage principal, interest, property taxes, homeowner's insurance, and any mortgage insurance if applicable. Now you want to estimate expenses for electricity, gas, cable, and water, and other required monthly costs of homeownership as well. And lastly, you want to think about what your budget will be once you buy your home and decide how much you want to be saving each month towards an emergency fund or any other savings goals. Now, if you're considering cutting back on some of your spending in order to be able to afford the kind of home you want to take a look at your budget and make some realistic adjustments. You want to make sure that your new adjusted budget accounts for the new costs of home ownership. Now, here's what you should know. This is just the first step in deciding how much you can afford. As you move forward in your home search and mortgage process, you'll gather more information and can refine your assumptions. Come back to this step and revisit your budget and calculations as you gather more information. Now here's how to avoid pitfalls. Owning a home is much more than just trading your rent payment for a mortgage payment. Now, new homeowners are often surprised by the extra costs of owning property, including taxes, insurance, and association fees. You also have repair costs, upkeep, and you may want to make improvements or upgrades. In a bigger space, may need new furnishings or appliances. Finally, there are things that you pay for as a homeowner that may have been included previously in your rent, such as water, trash pickup, and other utilities. On the next step, we'll be able to determine your down payment. If you have any other questions with the additional costs or changing expenses in homeownership, please feel free to reach out. My name is Gus Medrano with Main Street Realtors.